Hey Fluffers and Fluffettes! Today I want to show you how I draw ponies in side view. I already showed you how I draw ponies from 3/4 view before, even though it's a little bit old now. So get your pens, pencils, tablets or paper ready and follow me. I will draw my girl Shining Moon for this one. Many of you know her already and she was my mascot for a long time on this channel. Okay. For the beginning, let's start with the basic 3 circles. One for the head, one for the chest, and one for the behind. Now we go in and draw the help lines. A curved line from the back of the head, and one curved line from the top of the chest to the top of the behind. We now have the basic flow of the pony settled. I will now draw in the lines for the snout, the ears, and a basic line in the head for the eye placement later on. The next step is for the legs. I want to draw the legs that are facing the viewer first. Map out the placement of your shoulders and elbows in a sense like this. Continue to draw a slightly curved line down. You can vary it for longer or shorter legs. Do the same thing for the other 2 legs, but keep in mind that you are further away from them so they will appear smaller. Yes, we have the basic structure ready. Now we'll get right into the sketching. I recommend that you lower the opacity of the sketch now. If you happen to follow this tutorial on paper, just go over the lines with your eraser lightly so I can see the lines still. The first step of the refined sketch is the face. For that, I will zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. I am now starting with a forehead line that ends in the bridge of the nose. For that, I followed the headline and extended the line to just above the nose line. The next step is the snout length and structure. For that, I draw a curved line like this. How you draw the line will determine the length, structure and look of the final nose shape. I recommend to draw pointier and smaller snouts for mares and bigger and bulkier snouts for males. Let's get to the chin. For that, I draw a straight line that aligns with the bottom of the head circle. At the end, I go up with the line to represent the chin bone. I will now draw the facial expressions as so. You can of course vary your expressions and the eye shape to your pleasing. I went ahead with a smile and round open eyes. I draw my nostrils as just a line, but go bonkers if you'd like to. Next will be the ears. I draw them as long, thin triangles and add a second one for the inner ear. I will zoom out now, since we will be focusing on the body now. First thing to draw is the neck. For that, just connect your chin to the chest circle. Now connect the chest line you drew to the circle for the behind. Use the connection lines as a guide. The legs are up next. Start to define the shoulders first. Then follow up with 2 lines for the leg. Now draw the hooves as so. You can also draw your hooves differently, because we all have creative liberty on here. Do so for the second front leg. Just like this. Try to not vary your style from the front to the back leg as much. The back legs are next. Begin with drawing the flank portion. Orientate yourself on the joint circles of the help lines. Draw the rest of the legs, following the lines just like you did on the front legs. Don't forget to draw the second back leg. Now it's time for details. It's just trial and error, so try things out and look at real horses for reference help. These are my details. For the final phase of sketching, just add all your details of the OC you are drawing. For mine it was her hair, wings and tail. All you have to do now is line it, color it and if you'd like, shade it. Here's my girl Shining Moon all finished up. Alright my fluffers and fluffettes, this is all I will teach you today. I hope you learned something or just had fun watching this tutorial. If you happen to draw with me, please be sure to show me through my social medias or even email it to me. If you want more tutorials, please let me know in the comments down below and leave a like on this video. I will link a tutorial of how I draw 3/4 view ponies in the end card, so you can check that out also. This is it, have fun, and don't forget, be creative. Bye!
I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch my mind.